Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you now how to unlink your international bank card in your WeChat Pay. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon. Proceed with WeChat. Proceed with Pay and Services. Go ahead and click on Wallet. Click on Bank Cards. Select the card you want to unlink. So I'm going to select this Visa card right here. And you will be taken right here. Go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. Then go ahead and click on Unlink. Once you click on Unlink, the card will be completely removed from your WeChat wallet. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your WeChat wallet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.